coasters, rides, games, shows, fireworks, all for less than 100 cedis. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, welcome to Gomoa Wonderland, an amusement park in Ghana that delivers big thrills on a small budget. Located about an hour's drive west of Accra, Gomoa Wonderland offers over a dozen rides and attractions spread across its lush coastal grounds. I'll take you through the highlights so you can plan your day. When you first arrive, you'll want to grab a park map so you can navigate to all the attractions. Unlike larger theme parks, everything is within walking distance here. Today, I'm bringing you along on my budget experience at Gomoa Wonderland, an amusement park located in Ghana's central region. If you're looking for affordable fun in Ghana, this place is a hidden gem worth checking out. Gomoa Wonderland opened just a few years ago and offers rides, games, and entertainment without the high price tag of larger theme parks. In this video, I'll take you through the park to show you the attractions and share tips for maximizing your visit while sticking to a budget. Get ready for a day of thrills, excitement, and adventure on a shoestring. Located about an hour's drive west of Accra, Gomoa Wonderland offers over a dozen rides and attractions spread across its lush coastal grounds. I'll take you through the highlights so you can plan your day. When you first arrive, you'll want to grab a park map so you can navigate to all the attractions. Unlike larger theme parks, everything is within walking distance here. The main rides are clustered in the center of the park. For thrill seekers, the Twist and Turn Rollercoaster should be your first stop. This exciting ride features sharp drops, loops, and corkscrews as you race along the bright red tracks. The lines can get long, so head here first thing. Another popular ride is the Enterprise, which is a tilting, spinning disc that whirls you around for an exhilarating and disorienting ride. Screams are guaranteed. For a tamer option, the Ferris wheel slowly rotates you high above the park while providing spectacular views. Now let's talk about cost. Unlimited access wristbands are available for the day that allow you to go on all the rides. These are a good value at around 50 cedis. If you want to save money, you can also pay per ride, which ranges from 15 cedis each. In addition to rides, there are carnival-style games like bowling pins, balloon darts, and ring tosses. These are fun to try your luck with, but know that they are designed for you to lose and to spend money. Set a game budget and stick to only a few rounds. When you need a break from the action, head over to the audience stage, where live performances are held. Dancers, singers, comedians, and magicians offer lively entertainment throughout the day. Make sure to check the schedule so you don't miss the show. No amusement park is complete without food. You'll find vendors selling typical park fare like hot dogs, French fries, candy floss, and ice cream. For cheap eats, pack a picnic lunch from home, but make sure to leave room for a cold refreshment like coconut water or fruit smoothies sold in the park. In the evening, the park remains open, but with more of a hangout vibe. The lights strung throughout the trees create a magical atmosphere. You can play pickup soccer or basketball on the small courts, go for a ride on the pedal swan boats, or let kids run around on the playground equipment. As closing time nears, make sure to catch the fireworks display that lights up the night sky. The colorful explosions of light and booming volume are an incredible end to the day. Overall, Gomoa Wonderland is an excellent budget choice for families, students, or anyone seeking amusement park fun without breaking the bank. By paying per ride instead of the all-access pass, packing your own food, limiting games, and taking advantage of the free evening entertainment, you can have a full day out for potentially as little as 100 cedis per person, a steal compared to other options. With its seaside location, Gomoa also makes for a great stopover if you're traveling between Accra and the central or western regions. I highly recommend adding this affordable and entertaining park to your itinerary when visiting Ghana. And that wraps up my budget guide to Gomoa Wonderland. As you saw, this amusement park delivers a full day of entertainment at a fraction of the cost of other options. With strategic planning and flexibility, you can experience all the main attractions while saving money. I hope this video gave you some ideas and inspiration for affordable fun if you're visiting Ghana. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Gomoa Wonderland and what your favorite parts were. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget travel tips from around the world. Thanks for watching,